Hi guys. I bought these shoes for about $2 or $3, but maybe I could do something interesting with them. Maybe something like this. Now come and watch the whole story with me, and I'll tell you something about it. This is a cedar wood stretcher. It will keep my shoe in the right shape so it is straight and doesn't crease. I have to clean the shoe properly first. Get rid of old creams and dust. First, I clean it with a brush, and then I take saddle soap. Sometimes it's called glycerin soap. I use, or should and would like to use, protective gloves because none of these products are intended for human skin. But you know how it is. It's better to work without them. The soap shouldn't be too watery so that the leather doesn't soak up too much water. It cleans the shoes really well, and then I just wipe them down and let them dry for a while. This is really easy. And here I use a small brush to get rid of any soap residue that might bother me later. This is isopropyl alcohol. I use it for perfect degreasing, because then I'm going to use paints. Because I don't want to drag too much while painting, I cover those areas with masking tape. The airbrush can be very precise, but this will help it a little in case my hands are shaking. Once I have it covered where I want it, I can prepare the colors. I want gray, so first I take the airbrush paint thinner, then I add white to it, then I add black. I mix it together and I can start coloring. But before I get into that, I'll roughen the surface a little. This is sandpaper, about 600 grit, just a little bit. I don't need to sand it. Once I have the color finished the way I like it, I apply a finisher on top for a glossy finish. And now, a little bit of what I enjoy. Some splashes wherever I can think of. Or we can call it shadows. And when we're done with the art, the leather needs to be properly treated with a cream. It needs it because I used soap, and then IPA. After the cream, I use a hard polishing wax. It gives the shoes a strong shine, and I love that. It is easy to work with. Just apply a thin layer and wait a while. Then polish with a brush. Finally, I'll put the laces back in the shoes. I chose gray to match. Then a little more polishing, and I'm done. Not really. I'll have to make a second shoe. Not bad for a shoe that nobody wanted and cost next to nothing. It looks cool now. What do you think? If it looks worse than it did in the beginning, it doesn't deserve any likes. If you like this kind of thing, check out some other videos. Sometimes I just clean the shoes, but sometimes I also give them a little makeover. Hope to see you in the next video.